What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can get your XRP wallet address on your Binance app. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up your Binance app, then you will land on this home page. Then what you have to do, you have to click on wallet in the bottom right corner. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after doing so, you have to click on deposit option here. Then you have to click on search and search for XRP. Okay, then you have to click on this XRP Ripple. After that, you have to select a network that you want to receive the XRP via this network. I'm going to select Ethereum. Then you have to click on OK. After that, you can see here is your wallet address. You can copy it and send it to anyone. Otherwise, you can scan this QR code and receive your XRP coin on your Binance wallet. So this is how you can find your XRP wallet address on your Binance app. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.